This exercise is again all about octaves. It's mainly the lead melody, but then in octaves. Let's look at the starting chord. It's E, A, E with your thumb, second and pinky. Place your second finger between the two black keys and hold your hand as flat and relaxed as possible. Always try to relax your hands and fingers as much as possible while you are playing. And follow as much as possible the natural movements and postures of your hand while you are playing. If somehow the fingering I suggested is not comfortable for your hands, try to use another fingering that feels more natural for your hands. The fingering I suggest during this course and all the other courses is the fingering I use. Feel free to change them if it makes your hands and fingers play more relaxed. Now you are ready to practice exercise 21A at 30 BPM. I get back to you after you did exercise 21A at 90 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.